Chào mừng Jack and Jill đến với TVB Việt Nam.
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Up Jack got home to trot as fast as he could caper. He went to bed to mend his head with vinegar and brown paper.
Poznám príbeh o zubnej paste, ktorá chutí ako ovocie. Pre všetky deti, ktoré chcú mať zdravé zúbky vysmiaté. Spolu s kefkou a zvieratkami ochráni